this week I trained the folks in Excel. I think that's one of our, I think usually we get the best feedback because nobody's taught Excel in college or
Mm,
in business school. So when you teach them how to use Excel without a mouse and all hotkeys, and we train them usually for a full day for that,
hmm.
the feedback's really, really good. So
And what's your number one Excel tip if you had to give one?
I will say that um, it's one of those things that comes with practice, right? I tell
Mm,
we show them all the hotkeys, we show them all the shortcuts, we show them all the formulas. It's like going to the gym. It's a muscle you have to practice. So we give them the most commonly used hotkeys and we tell them to just paste it next to their computers or on their
yeah.
cubicles and make it a initiative saying, look, I'm not going to use my mouse. And I
Hmm.
think this is where it takes a lot of just self-discipline. You have two types of people. One who make it proactively say, hey, I'm not going to use a mouse. I'm going to use a shortcut or the hotkeys. And if I'm stuck and I don't know it, I'm going to look at my quick hotkeys, right? Or they'll
Hmm.
review the Excel that we've gone through them with and they'll practice it. Or if they
Yeah.
get to a part and they don't know, they'll be like, aha, wait a minute. I may have done this, written a formula before like this through our training sessions.
Hmm.
Let's review. I think those are generally the students that will having the mindset of saying, I want to get better and good at
Yeah.
it will also carry over to just everything in life and in work, right? Whereas I've seen other people who just like kind of says, oh, this is great and all, but I'm going to be resistant to it. Those are usually the kids who also don't get return offers. So
Right.
it's correlated. It's not causation,
Hmm.
but there's usually correlation between the two.
Yeah. I had a call this week with someone who's starting at a boutique,
Mhm.
and they were asking about kind of what to look out for in return
Right.
offers and like how much networking they should do and how sort of like how formal they should be. That was kind of the
Mhm.
general vibe because I think some banks give a sort of a hint that they're not, as formal as others, or they're like, oh, we don't care about that. It's a no asshole policy, all that sort of thing. And my general advice is like, don't, don't believe that. Don't like just
Yeah.
treat banking as if you're in the 90s at Lehman or something, right? Like um don't take their friendliness as a means of being informal because a lot of times people won't stop you from making those mistakes, but when it comes time to bringing people back, um, that'll harm you. That will like
Yeah.
not shield you well. So a lot of it, I think, be conservative despite what the firm may officially say. A lot of times they'll also say things like, "Oh, all of you have a return offer in this sort of training." Don't believe that either. Everyone is still fighting for a return offer. I would not get complacent. That would be my advice to you.